We won't solve the puzzle, we won't fix the riddle, we won't see the forest, we'll just hug a tree. We won't know the future, it's a broken feature, and even with our best effort, it's gonna be a mystery. Always be a mystery. Always be a mystery. Always be a mystery. At the stars and write it down. We can turn it around and flip it upside down. But the water gets murky the deeper you go. There's only one thing that we know. It's a mystery. Always be a mystery. Maybe that's the point, that's what we don't see. Maybe it's enough to let it be a mystery.